Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's Sparky talking, and I want to make you a little update on my YouTube channel why I'm not uploading. The thing is, I have nothing to do. I'm always in that setup. Always, all the time I'm in it. When I'm not at work, I'm here. Always. Or a car meet or a car event or something. When I'm record, it's not like pressing the button, start recording, after done, you finish. Sometimes I crash, sometimes I'm not good, I'm not fast at the track, sometimes shit happen, sometimes everything can happen in meanwhile I record, so also those one are not real, they are airsoft. Those don't worry about. But big plan coming to this, a ton of stuff going to this, maybe after I'm doing my class 1 license, which is the truck license. Maybe, it's not soon, but after I doing that, or maybe after I done my Civic. Also, maybe next month I will swap engine, which is a B18 B1, it's original. So I will vlog it and do that stuff. I have all the part almost. Look, I have the Megan Racing upper control arm in the front. I just need ball joint on it. Strut bar. I have the STD coilover. They're all used, okay? So, and I have the lower control arm, and I have a camber kit in it. I just need motor mount, OBD1 ECU, and OBD2 to OBD1 harness converter. So yeah, this is why I'm not doing content. Also, in 2 weeks from now, New Jersey is coming up. And what is in New Jersey? Formula Drift. I'm going there with all my friends. So I will vlog over there and hope you like it. And see you next time. Bye bye.